guys.
You don't know Chef Reid
And Chef Alexander here.
Tell you with our next epic video, guys. Epic, E-P-I-C. So you want to know for me. Like the video, share the video.
Drop some banger comments down below. Run over to King and Alice. Subscribe, share out the video them.
And get us to 1K, guys.
Yeah, guys. So
yeah. And tell one thing about the new intro them. Bang, bang, boom.
we're out.
Talk to me, huh?
Pre-out the intro.
Soon forward.
Soon forward. Welcome back, guys. So from you see the title, you don't know what kind of video I get today. Look at that. 2 simple ingredients. The new Grace jerk Vienna sausage. Try it out yet?
Yeah, guys, take it here. Them ask what we have up our sleeve, so we'll show them what we have up our sleeve, guys. Take it here.
Yes, guys. I will have a plantain right there.
So we're gonna just get in it. Now, you know how we got to work already, guys? Alright, so firstly, I'm going to boil the plantain, but I'm not going to cut up the plantain, I'm going to cut off the 2 tip there. So, I'm going to start with cutting the tip. 1 to go.
Yes, guys.
Down. Alright, so now we're going to get this in the boiling water, guys. We're not peer it, we're not peel it, nothing. Same as it is, because we want it to be firm after cooking. So, come forward with it. We'll go over there.
Yeah, guys, you see that? Boiling water. Bubbling, bubble pata bubble.
So we're going to add the plantain now.
Yes, guys, and we're going to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. So until then, we're so forward.
And you can always check for tenderness, guys.
Yes, guys. Yeah, guys, from you see we again, you know what time it is.
Yeah, guys, so we'll give it a check, and if it's ready, you know, remove it, right?
See that? Give it a gentle press.
Yeah, guys, because we don't want to squeeze it too hard and mash it up. Perfect.
Right.
So we're going to remove this from the heat now, guys. Cool it down. Get on to the next step.
Yes, guys. So we're so forward.
You know the thing? So forward.
Yes, guys. See, we're planting nice and cooked and cool down. So we're going to get on to the next step.
Yeah, guys. So right now, firstly, I'm going to measure it up with the jerk sausage. Because I don't know I want them on the same size when I cut this plantain. Right?
Accurate measurements, you know.
So I cut it like that.
Get a mark. Alright. Here about. Move the sausage now. Oh. We are measure up everything.
Alright, guys, so now we have cut this. Remove the sausage first. Get on with the
cutting.
Alright. Gently, guys, because remember the plantain cooker and I want this to mash up. Set that aside. We'll start with the middle piece first. The marks what we have up our sleeve. Grace, see what we have up our sleeve here. We'll show you what we want. Because we're multi-talented, you know. See that? Beautiful. You can see it beautifully. Cooked properly, thoroughly, right through. You know the shrimps. If you don't know the shrimps, you now know the tingo, guys. So talk to me.
Yes, guys.
Get yourself one of these, guys.
Yeah.
Get yourself one. Look on it. Take it in. Perfect. Cut out that. Alright, watch this. Pierce that hole right down the center. We want to make sure say, we get it in the middle. Because you know, say, we are men and we always want to find the middle. So let's find this middle. We don't want it.
Want it even and in the middle, accurate.
Alright, perfect.
Just gently give it a press.
Can you give it a twist like this? And
pull.
Alright, guys. So now, I'll get my gloves on to push out that.
Yes, guys. Ready to eat food, you always use your gloves, right? And whether or not you're dealing with ready to eat food, Always have your gloves, right?
Look at that.
Beautiful. Guys, don't throw away that, you know. Can find use for it later on.
Alright, you see that now, guys?
Just gonna replace that middle with what you think.
I measure it first. If you have to pierce the hole, look at what. Perfect.
Perfect. Look at that, man.
Grace, and see what I go on. You see it? Alright, so I'm gonna cut off a piece more of this. No, now I wonder what's next. Let's watch what happens. Here we go on.
Cut off a little piece.
I like cut up my food in a man.
Guys, we like it. Yes. Perfection is what we deal with over here. And we hear you guys in the comment section, loving the presentation, loving the cooking.
What do you think so far?
We appreciate it.
Alright, so I'm going to repeat this for the next one.
So if you never catch it at first, watch closely.
This is more difficult and more tricky. Can you notice this side? How it's there?
It kind of funny shaping. But the same for the same, guys.
No change. Alright. Then, I'm going to just push him out like the first one. Push.
Ah, perfect. Look at that. Pull. Perfect. Now we're going to repeat the same with our sausage. Turn it around to check for any adjustments. Perfect.
Alright guys. So now we're going to remove the skin.
What do you think coming next after this, guys? Comment it down below in the comment section. What you think going to come next? Guys, why you think we didn't remove the skin sooner from the plantain? We didn't remove the skin sooner because we didn't want it to be all over the place and we want access and grip.
Look at that.
Look at that, guys. Clean as you go, very important.
So, I don't want to catch a drift, so I catch you back when I move to the next step.
Yes, guys.
Don't go nowhere, guys. We are forward.
So forward. Yes, guys, we have our oil heating up at the right temperature, so we're just gonna submerge our plantain. Yes, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Who could ever think about this idea? Chef Reid and Chef Alexander. Creative people. You feel me?
Yeah, Grace. So, I saw how I go on. I know say that one is epic. That one new too, no? But I say it go. And we say invention.
Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. We say new things.
So, that one is raw and uncut. I just a fuss on to see this, guys.
Cooking with Chef Reid and Chef Alexander. Comment it down below how you think this is gonna turn out, the taste, the flavor. And comment down below how you think the grey sausage tastes as well. The jerk, to be exact.
When the plating time, I will explain everything and why we do this, and the reason, and the combination, and the complementary, and all of that. So now we get a good rundown. So
yeah, guys.
We don't have to go nowhere now. We need not pause this, because this is so ready. So you can just go and bear with it, raw and cut.
Yeah, guys. I see if you have plantain in your fridge and you have sausage, just try this at home. Tag us and tag Grace and tell them say Chef Reid and Chef Alexander wanna see do this.
Yeah. No,
and remember, guys, get your Grace jerk sausage and give it a try. New on the market, right? Look at that, man. Guys, I don't know if you not see the real beauty of this, but this is
EPIC.
epic.
How we say creativity, guys. And guys, we just want 500 more rounds to come over.
Yeah, guys. Get us to 1K. On the road to 1K. And for this video and all this creativity, give us 50 likes and 20 comments. Or just bomb up the comment section.
And if you want to see we do a dessert with this, give it 100 likes. 100 likes if you don't want to see it in a dessert style. Alright guys, so we're going to remove this from the heat now.
Place on a paper towel to drain the excess oil.
And then you know what next.
Time for the banger plating.
So don't go nowhere. Get a special if you're a drinker. You have a popcorn style, you don't know the movie you're there.
Caramel.
You don't know the chefs, you know, guys. We're so forward.
So forward. From you see the plate, you know what time it is. Time for the banger plating. So just start drop your banger comments down below.
EPIC.
Epic.
Take it in. Yeah, get a special from now, guys. Get your popcorn. Get your piece of chicken. Sit down in front of the TV, the phone, the tablet, and the laptop. Don't move a muscle.
No.
Not a muscle. Can you be strain? Just take in the epic plate in here, guys. Grace I watch too, you know, so you know watch too. Because Grace don't know watch, you know.
Yeah, guys.
Them ask what we have up our sleeve. So
this is it.
Erase him.
Right there. That's what you're thinking, Fuga?
Tell me if that not look like a classic.
Original. Tell me, you know.
Grace! I called her name too loud a while ago.
Miss Gracie? Grace? Yeah, guys. What do you guys think about this? Comment down below in the comment section. Let us know. If you're not subscribed yet from you reach this part, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and be a part of the foodie family.
Right there.
Look at that, man. Color. You know Chef Alexander is all about color. Look at that. We have that nice orange brown from that plantain. We have that green from the parsley. Have that purple or red onion, as you guys call it, and our tomatoes giving us that good vibe. Look at that, man. Pure vibe.
Guys, are you so nice? Nowhere else.
Nowhere else. Think him forgot it, sir?
Crowd pleasing.
Showstopper. The dapper. You don't know. And guys, remember to follow us on Instagram for the bomb pictures, the good things them happen over there. So remember, follow us there.
Now Chef Alexander got a plate off, so I need to go over there to see the two different plating on this. Because she want to compete with me and Grace. And she don't see a one team. I don't know what she deal with, guys. What do you think?
What do you think? What do you think?
Now go over there and tell her which one you like the most. Two of them are go over there.
Remember, you know, guys, one team, one link. You feel me?
So this is my plating. This is what she come with now. Simple.
Elegant and classy. Classic.
Persuasive, intelligent. The plate is so eloquent.
Alright. Remember, guys, go over to King and Ali. That's where we be ourselves. Come out of this professional format. And just give us the bomb story times, the lit challenges, and all that good stuff, right? It will be pinned in the comment section and also in the description. You don't know how to clean up the plates. Get it nice and clean. So here we guys, was so forward. Look at that. Look at that. Give them a rotation, chef. Sure. On one side you have the parsley. And on one side we have was hey guys.
People say it outdated. But we bring back everything to life.
Classic, guys. Classic.
We can't stray from the original. We can put a twist.
Remember to go over our Instagram for the pictures, cause guys.
The plate off, I go over there.
Don't want miss nothing, you
We
know.
never want to bring the plate off on the
YouTube, so check with on the Instagram. Alright guys, you know say we drop that bomb here, so we are gonna just leave with a
bang.
Alright, until next time. Bye foodies.
Bang bang boom.